Hi everyone, welcome back into the schematic work channel. The topic of this video, how we can download and install and run the Multisim software in 2026. So now start this video. So first of all, you need to be open that web page, link in the description. Scroll down and there is the option for login to download. Click on this button. Then login page is open and here you need to be create your account. Click on create account button. Put your first name, last name, select your role as an engineer and write your email and set your password and click on create account. I quickly add these details here and then I show you the next step. So now on our inbox, they send us the confirmation email. Open our Gmail. So this is the confirmation email which I received from the NI. This is the link, click on it. Now he said that my NI user account is confirmed. Click on this and then click on continue. So after creating account, again this web page is open. Scroll down and here you see the download button. Click on it. Downloading Multisim 14.3 for education. It is downloaded and now we move toward the installation step. Right click on it and run as administrator. NI package manager is open. Click on I accept the above license agreement. So first of all, they are installing the package manager. When our NI package manager is installed, after that they ask for installing the circuit design suite education. I don't need check anything from here. Click on next. Again accept it. Click on next. So all these things are going to be installed and it's take the 10 to 20 minutes. Click on next. So installation is start and it's take the time and I show you the next step when that installation is complete. Right now I am not going to be updated, so click on no here. There is the option for login to activate our account, so click on it. Now they ask for email and password, so I hope so you understand, like you remember your email and password, put here and click on login. That is simple. I quickly put my email and password and move forward. Now I am logged in with my account. Click on activate here. Okay, if it's not activated right now, so it's not a big deal, just cancel it because in the next step we claim a trial. Okay, so he asks us for reboot. Now it's mean it's shut down your PC one time or laptop and restart it again. Okay, so that's mean remote now, but I am not going to be reboot it right now. I do it later. Now search the Multisim, open it. That's very important because in this step we are going to be claim our trial. So he said that okay, activate it or remind me later because this software trial expired in 42 days, so they give us a 42-day free trial. So if you want to be reclaim the trial, then just be change the Gmail and uninstall it and again install with the new account. So click on remind me later. And now our Multisim is working, so I hope so you understand download, how we can install, create account and claim a trial and then use it. So I see you the next time with the new video. Please subscribe and like this video.